Managers play a vital role in the success of an organization. They act as a shepherd of their lands or their members. Maraming mga pagkakataon na bagamat malaki ang bahaging ginagampanan nila, ay maraming empleyado ang kinaiinisan sila, maybe because of their personalities as managers and the way they manage their employees. Pero may mga managers din na masasabi nating blessing sa ating buhay dahil sa maganda at maayos na klase ng kanilang pamamahala sa kanyang mga miyembro. This is Sir Manggiat. Be prepared because we are about to start. Today, we will talk about the functions, roles, and skills of a manager. But first, who is a manager? Sila ang mga itinalaga para pamahalaanan ng isang department, unit, division, o iba pang grupo na may responsibilidad o tungkulin na makamit ang mga layunin ng isang organisasyon. Managers are expected to lead, direct, supervise, monitor, evaluate, and control the performance and output of his or her group. For this to happen, a manager must be equipped with skills necessary for his or her job. There are specific tasks and responsibilities assigned to managers. These are called managerial functions. Managers are different from their crew in terms of functions. Mas malaki ang bahaging ginagampanan ng isang manager dahil ito ang nagpaplano at gumagawa ng mga desisyon sa kung ano ang kinakailangang gawin ng kanyang mga miyembro for them to achieve the organization's goals. They also evaluate their performances to identify those employees who are qualified to be the next leaders. Managerial functions vary depending on the level of managerial position. These levels are as follows: first level supervisors, middle managers, and top managers. Let's first have the first level supervisors. They are the manager of the production crews. For example, a team leader supervising a group of call center agents to accept calls from clients. Next, we have the middle managers. They are the managers who manage or supervise other managers and other members of the organization. For example, sa accounting department ay may mga managers for certain accounts of clients. These managers are supervising their subordinates who are working on certain accounts. At sa department na ito ay may nag-iisang manager who is the department head na siyang nagmamanage ng buong accounting department. The last one are the top managers. Sila naman ang may pinakamalaking scope ng responsibilities and accountability dahil sila ang gumagawa ng desisyon at strategies na magdadala sa success ng buong company, not only ng isang department. Top managers are positioned as the organization's president or CEO or chief executive officer, vice president, or board of directors. Now, let's talk about the roles of managers. Ano ba ang mga ginagampanan ng isang manager sa isang organisasyon? First are the interpersonal roles. Managers must lead by example. Sila ang tutularan ng kanyang mga subordinates. If he or she does not respect other people in the organization, for sure, his or her members will do the same. As leader, siya ang magdadala sa kanyang grupo to achieve the organization's objectives. Kung mali ang daang tinatahak ng isang leader, siguradong mali rin ang pupuntahan ng buong grupo. And as a liaison, kung may problema sa kanyang grupo about certain matters which is connected to other groups, ay siya ang makikipag-ugnayan sa mga ito upang tulungan ang kanyang mga miyembro. The second one are the informational roles. He acts as the monitor, disseminator, and spokesperson of the group. Responsibilidad niyang alamin lahat ng mahalagang nangyayari sa isang organization dahil once na may nagbago sa isang department, let's say marketing department, tiyak na maaaring may dapat ding baguhin sa purchasing department, dahil sila ang naghahanap ng murang supplies na ginagamit ng marketing department sa pag-advertise. He or she is responsible to share information and communicate to other groups within the organization representing their group. The last roles are decisional roles. Managers act as entrepreneur, disturbance handler, resource allocator, and negotiator. Unlike low-ranking member of the organization, managers are responsible for decision-making. Sa kanila nakaatang ang pagbuo ng desisyon like developing or innovating their products and strategies. They also want to resolve conflicts dahil hindi may iwasan na magkaroon ng di pagkakaunawaan sa isang organisasyon. Trabaho din ng isang manager na i-maximize ang lahat ng resources na meron ang isang organization. He or she must decide on how to use their resources to become efficient such as time and raw materials. Ganon din, kailangan niya din makipagkasundo sa ibang tao upang mas lumago pa ang kanilang organisasyon o negosyo. Managers also need to have a set of skills to become effective. Skill is the ability to perform a specific task to achieve the desired results. First are technical skills. Kinakailangan na alam niya ang pasikot-sikot sa trabaho. He is equipped with relevant skills. Kung siya ay isang marketing officer, alam niya dapat kung paano kikilalanin ang mga customers upang matugunan ang kanilang needs and wants. Next are the human skills. Ang pagiging mahiyain at hindi marunong makipagkapwa sa kanyang mga miyembro ay hindi kaaya-aya sa pagiging isang manager. He or she must have the capacity na pakisamahan ng maraming tao sa kabila ng ating pagkakaiba-iba. Last are the conceptual skills. This pertains to the ability to think critically and analytically. As manager, he or she is also a problem solver. Problems must be solved as soon as possible. Upang masolusyonan ang mga problemang ito, kinakailangang may magaling na pag-iisip kung ano ang dahilan ng problema, paano ito haharapin at kung ano ang mga kahihinatnan ng kanyang mga magiging desisyon. Dahil sa oras na siya ay nagdesisyon, kailangan niya itong mapanindigan because he or she is accountable for his or her group. As we go back to the different roles of managers, such as interpersonal, informational, and decisional roles, the said roles must also be equipped with the skills of a manager we formerly discussed. Now, first, interpersonal roles involve social skills, which includes knowing how to gain the cooperation of others, learning to adjust to different personalities, communicating clear messages and intentions, being appreciative and respectful of people coming from different backgrounds, motivating employees to do their best, and guiding people in their work to achieve a common purpose. For the informational roles, managers must learn to develop special skills such as the following: identifying the key information that needs to be gathered, knowing where and how to source the required information, identifying inaccuracies in the information, keeping track of progress of desired activities, using the proper medium or media for communication, being proficient in basic computer applications, disseminating information in a clear and timely manner. And lastly, decisional roles of a manager will require cultivating the following skills: identifying the main problem, its causes, symptoms, effects, and impacts, providing alternative solutions to the problem, determining the specific criteria to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of the alternative solutions, committing to a decision to choose the best alternative or course of action, knowing how to translate a solution to a problem into a concrete plan, and being firm to implement a well-designed plan. These are the functions, roles, and skills of a manager. Based on what you have learned, are you ready to become one? Once again, this is Sir Manghiat. All is well. Challenge accepted.